Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you this very nice. It's almost like a recess light, but it's more for attic. So I'm going to tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly, so the way you can see. For instance, here, as you can see, we have the motion sensor. Here we have 30 seconds, 60, or 120 seconds. So here, if you want to use it in the attic, like in my case, this will be the best setting. So you leave it on night auto, or if you want it in day, you can leave it on day auto or on. So those are the options here in the back. You have the Kelvin, so you have the switch here. As you can see here, we have 6500, 4000, 3000. So you have the white and the black cable, and you can hook it to the Romex cable. I'm going to tell you the bad thing about this, or the good things. So first, let me finish with this. So basically, you install it like that, push it like this, put a few screws, and you can put it, on a stud or the rafter beam, and that's it. Because usually if you have the other kind, for instance here I have the recess light, you have to make a hole on the ceiling in order to install this, otherwise you cannot keep it in place. Here I have another one, another option. I don't like this much, at least not for this case, because you cannot keep it on, you cannot attach it in any other way to the rafters or the beams. So this will be the best option. The ugly about this is this. It doesn't come with the connector, so basically you have to buy one, put it here. As you can see, it doesn't fit all the way. So here I have the nut. So all you're going to need is a step bit with a drill bit, and then you will have to make it a little bit larger, so the way you can make it fit. And once you make it fit, like now, you see, you can try to put the nut in the other side. I will have to work here a little bit more, that's it. So I will try to make it a little bit larger, the hole. Other than that, I mean, it looks fine. So if you see, the disadvantage that you're going to, you will have to modify it, because if you put the Romex chassis here, the problem that you're going to have is someone pulls the cable, you're going to have the risk that something are going to get unplugged, or maybe someone may get electrocuted, shocked, or something like that. Also, by code, you have to have some type of clamp here to keep the cable in place. So once you put it like that, the nut on the other side, tie it with the screws, and this should be in place. And a very easy installation, so very, very nice. Just put it like that, move it on the side, and that's it. Later, if you want to remove it, that is all you have to do. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the section below. I'll see you next time.